Campers and Dens is certainly not about pods anymore. It's so much more than that. You can't have a pod anymore without the layers of privacy, evolving the pieces of architecture from open plan to fully closed. Light bulb moment for me of seeing a camper van and the awning, and people suddenly realizing that people understand how, on a campsite, how intuition works. When you're in your camper van, it's absolutely do not disturb. What's more interesting is when you come out into your awning and you're having your cup of tea, cup of coffee in the morning, the awning is defining a zone, and it's still a intuitive barrier. Unless they go, come over, you wouldn't actually go into that space. There is another element of sort of subtle psychology that I love about the awning, and that is when you put something over the top of you, it's a little bit like sitting underneath a tree. You start to bring your voice down, and it's very, very calming. So I love that about it. Another really powerful feature is something we call the kink. On the face of it, it seems like a really trivial aesthetic thing that you put on the product, but it's a porch. It draws you in. And we go around this corner and there'll be a cabin on the back of a pod, and you can hide in a very small footprint of space. I think our installations have helped to bring people back into the workplace. We've gone up a level now with how we create this wonderful space that people can meet and stroll and chat and stop and relax. Injecting Campers and Dens into a space means that everywhere can be a workplace. If one simple thing defines Campers and Dens, it's a solution that allows people to author their own day.